Have you ever pondered the constraints that traditional 3D printing technology faces? From the time-consuming process of layering material to the physical contact that can compromise delicate designs, traditional 3D printing has its share of challenges. And let's not forget the limited range of materials that can be used, which restricts the scope of what can be created. There's a clear need for a more sophisticated and efficient technology. Now, imagine a world where these limitations are a thing of the past. Welcome to the era of contactless 3D printing, a groundbreaking innovation that is set to redefine the boundaries of technology. This revolutionary development has brought with it a slew of benefits, including heightened speed, enhanced precision, and the capacity to print using an expanded range of materials. Engineers across the globe have harnessed this technology to fabricate hybrid structures that are both soft and rigid. Imagine robotic grippers that are robust enough to lift heavy objects, yet soft enough to interface safely with humans. This exemplifies the versatility and potential of contactless 3D printing. Contactless 3D printing, with its unmatched versatility and efficiency, is paving the way for a new era of technological innovation. Now, let's delve deeper into the key points that make contactless 3D printing a game changer in the tech world. The true magic of this revolutionary technology lies in its ability to fabricate with superior materials while avoiding physical contact. A feat achieved using the power of computer vision, ensuring precision and quality in the produced objects. This contact-free nature opens up a whole new world of possibilities, allowing us to create complex hybrid structures like robotic grippers. They are strong enough to grasp heavy objects, yet soft enough to interact safely with humans. A boon for fields like robotics, medicine, and beyond. Indeed, contactless 3D printing is not just a technological advancement. It is a paradigm shift that holds the promise of a future where anything is possible.